Welcome guys, if you want to perform soft reset of your JBL Flip 6, just follow each step. So at the first, as you can see, the speaker is turned on. It's also connected with my phone. And to perform the soft reset without restoring the default settings, you have to click and hold this power button for a few seconds. Right now release, and then click and hold it another time. Okay, and when you hear that sound, you can simply release this button, and as you can see right now we are back. So yeah, that's a soft reset process. It's useful where, for example, your speaker is making a weird sound and it's not working properly, so we can try this few seconds process to fix the problem. If it is not working and you have still problems, you can try to make the hard reset. Of course, this video you will also find on our YouTube channel. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.